Hi everyone. So I'm going to keep the introduction to this video very short because the purpose today is to lead you through a meditation that activates and supports your solar plexus chakra. And if you'd like me to do a video that explains the entire chakra system, leave a comment below. But today I'm specifically focusing on the solar plexus chakra because we're just a week out now from the solstice in the northern hemisphere, the summer solstice in the southern hemisphere, the winter solstice. And why you could do this meditation at any time, it's just a really nice connection. The solstice is connected with the sun, the solar plexus chakra is also connected with the sun. And so because of timing, I'm just honing in on this particular chakra today. In the same way that the sun gives a huge amount of energy to us as living beings on the planet, not just human beings, but plant life, it's a really vital source of energy within our chakra system, is our source of inner strength and inner worth. It really stokes our belief in our own power and ability. So anytime you might be feeling maybe unworthy or unable to solve some challenge, then doing some intentional work to rebalance and support your solar plexus chakra can be really beneficial. So with all of that said, I'm going to park the explanation and we move into the meditation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Whether you're lying down or sitting upright, allow your eyes to gently close. Soften your shoulders and take a moment to arrive, shifting your attention inward, and simply observe your breath. There's no need to alter its natural rhythm. Simply notice it for a few moments. Now bring your attention to your solar plexus or Manipura chakra, located just above your belly button, and imagine a warm golden beam of sunlight shining directly into this area. Visualize the solar plexus filling up with bright yellow light, and see that light radiating outward from your physical body, expanding gently to fill your aura. Now, either silently or out loud, depending on your comfort in this moment, begin to repeat these mantras, letting the words sink in as a felt experience. I am strong and powerful. I feel my power within. I am worthy. I am strong and powerful. I feel my power within. I am worthy. I am strong and powerful. I feel my power within. I am worthy. Continue repeating these mantras at your own pace, keeping your awareness gently focused on your solar plexus until you hear my voice again. I am strong and powerful. I feel my power within. I am worthy. When you feel ready, let go of the mantras, knowing that you can return to them, empowering your solar plexus chakra anytime you feel the need for greater inner strength. Now, using only your gentle awareness, slowly begin to scan your body from head to toe. Simply observe any sensations you notice as you move through your body. As your attention reaches your bum, notice how it connects with the chair and how it's supported by it. And when you reach your feet, notice their connection with the floor, and again how they are supported. Now begin to gently bring your awareness outward, noticing any sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you feel ready, gently blink your eyes open.